I told you Amazon can help you manage your ads automatically? Yes, the Amazon Campaign Manager can help increase your ad budget automatically, but only to ads and campaigns that are performing well. That's the power of budget rules. And in this video, that's exactly what I'm gonna be introducing you to. This is part 2 of another video that we launched all about ads. My name is Crystal from the Amazon Sellers Society. I'm an Amazon ads educator, and this video is in collaboration with Amazon Ads. Let's get to work. So I'm going to explain to you the power of budget rules. You need to be using this strategy right now. It is extremely simple, and I'm going to be breaking it down to you step by step. But before I get started, make sure that you click subscribe so you never miss another video on the channel, specifically if you are an Amazon seller or you want to be an Amazon seller. Hit the thumbs up button because it helps us increase the viewers on this video and the channel overall. And leave me your comments or any questions that you have in the comments section below. So let's get started with what are budget rules. Budget rules are smart conditions that can be automatically created inside of your campaigns. You set them up. However, they're set up either on a certain schedule, so basically certain dates, certain times of when you want that budget to work out, or they can be set up under certain conditions, which I would prefer. Things like if the campaign hits a certain ACOS, if the campaign hits a certain ROAS, and other types of conditions, so that you can increase the budget without you being or having to do anything manually. So technically, Amazon checks these rules all the time, and once you hit a certain metric, either date or certain conditions, then they will increase the budget for your ad campaign, making sure that you are able to generate more sales and not run out of budget. Number 2, why use budget rules? Well, basically, they help you scale the right campaigns without having to do any guesswork. Number 1, you maximize performance without any manual work, even if you're not actually available on Amazon or not looking at your campaign manager. Number 2, you're able to protect your budget against poor performing ads. And number 3, you're certainly able to get better ROI over time. Especially in competitive marketplaces like Amazon UAE KSA, and especially if you are a new seller, you need to utilize these smart tools to help you improve your sales. So let's get going. This is the step-by-step guide of how you can create a performance-based budget rule. Number 1, I would suggest for you to do this only for good performing campaigns. So number 1 would be to find good performing campaigns. So we're gonna go to Ads Manager and set the date range for the last 7 days. And we're looking for campaigns that have proper ROAS. So I set the date range for the last 7 days, and I filtered asking Amazon Campaign Manager to just show me ads that have a ROAS greater than 4. That is a good number for this type of account. And as you can see, we've got 2 different types of campaigns. One has a ROAS of 6.78 and the other has an incredible ROAS of 71, which basically means, let's look at the budgets for these campaigns. So right now, the budget is 140 dirhams per day for this campaign, and 300 dirhams per day, which are quite high budgets. However, I want to ensure that the budget keeps running even if I'm not checking Campaign Manager, specifically if the ROAS hits above 4. Step 2, optimize before doing anything. You need to make sure that your campaign is properly optimized, because when adding a budget, if you have keywords that are not performing well in that particular campaign, whether it's a manual campaign or an auto campaign, that is certainly might affect the overall results of the budget rule or the budget being increased on your ads. So if it's an auto campaign, make sure that you negate bad keywords. If it is a manual campaign, check the performance of those keywords to ensure that you're not really focusing on those types of keywords. So remove and adjust any non-performing targets or keywords. And lastly, make sure that you check anything that might spike your ACOS. optimize your campaigns. Step number 3, let's create a budget rule. You simply need to click on the campaign, and as you can see, here it is, budget rules. I'm gonna add a budget rule. The first thing to do is to just call it something. I'm just gonna call it YouTube because of this video, okay? As you can see, there's 2 types, schedule, so I can schedule it during, for example, Prime Day, or performance. I'm just gonna do performance. And as you can see, for performance, we've got multiple different metrics. ROAS being my favorite, but you also have ACOS, click-through rate, and conversion rate. ACOS, greater than or equal to, for me, for this account, 4 would be a good number. I'm gonna increase the budget by 20% because already the campaign budget is quite high. So from 140, it will increase to 168 once the campaign on a daily basis hits ROAS 4. It's just giving it a little bit more rope, giving it a little bit more of a budget to keep going. All I need to do is add budget rule, and that's it. Now remember, you can pause the budget rule at any time if you think that it's inconvenient or not performing well, but this is a fantastic strategy, and the perfect explanation would be working smarter and not harder. If you need help and support with strategies like this, and you need someone to help you on your Amazon journey, make sure that you book a call with myself and the team. You'll find all of the details in the description box or on our website, www.assmiddleeast.org. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in another video with more information. Bye.